Hello everyone, I am Ritika Juskar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Artificial Intelligence, we discuss about Unit 2, where we already discuss about what is meant by constraint satisfaction problem and the different examples based on this constraint satisfaction problem. So in previous videos, we already discuss about the CSP problems like graph coloring problem, Sudoku problem, 8-queen problem, crossword problem, and the crypto arithmetic problem also. Okay, so the last CSP problem is a map coloring problem. So in this video we are going to discuss about the map coloring problem. Okay, so let us discuss here. So see here, so there is one map and we have some constraint graph like this. Okay, so consider the case of boundaries relation between the states of Indian territories, where the Madhya Pradesh, so where we are using different things here. So if I am considering one graph over here, so where the Madhya Pradesh is one city, this is one state, is connected to the UP, Uttar Pradesh, also this Madhya Pradesh is connected to the Rajasthan state, then Gujarat also, Madhya Pradesh is connected to the Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Chhattisgarh also. So all these states are surrounded to the Madhya Pradesh. So we can also connect these things: Rajasthan to UP, Rajasthan to Gujarat, Gujarat to Maharashtra, and Maharashtra to Chhattisgarh. Okay, so assuming that we have been given a task of coloring each region either in red color, green color, blue color, or any other colors. Okay, so we have to assign some color for the state like this. No neighboring regions have the same color. Okay, so if I am considering the Madhya Pradesh color is a green. Okay, Madhya Pradesh color is a green. So neighboring states are Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, UP. We cannot color the same for the neighboring states. So MP का neighboring state है Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, UP. So we have to choose another color for the neighboring state of the MP. If I am choosing the Rajasthan, okay. So see here, if I am choosing the Rajasthan state, so if I am choosing the blue color for Rajasthan, okay. So neighboring states of Rajasthan is what? MP, UP, and Gujarat. So for the Gujarat and UP, we cannot select the green color and blue color. So we have to choose another color. Okay. So the formulate this as a constraint satisfaction problem. So we define the variables of these regions. So variables are what? MP, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and UP. So these are the variables. Okay, MP, Rajasthan, UP, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Chhattisgarh. So these are the variables. And what are the domains for this graph coloring problem? So domains are, we have to choose the color is red, green, and blue only. We have to use these three colors only. And constraint is what? MP is not equal to RJ. Okay, so not equal to RJ. MP is not equal to UP also. Gujarat is not equal to MP. MP is not equal to Maharashtra. MP is not equal to Chhattisgarh. Okay, and Rajasthan is not equal to UP. Rajasthan is not equal to Gujarat. Gujarat is not equal to Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is not equal to Chhattisgarh. So these are the constraints. Okay. This is Rajasthan and this is MP. Okay. So how to color? Because there is an so the constraint is what? The neighboring regions, no neighboring regions have the same color. Okay. So if I am considering the Rajasthan or MP is a blue color, okay, MP is a blue color. We have to select the MP as a blue color. So neighboring nodes RJ, Gujarat, MH, Chhattisgarh and UP. So we cannot select the blue color because these are the neighboring node of the MP. So we have to starting from the Rajasthan, we have to choose the Rajasthan as a red color. Okay, we have a Rajasthan two colors, red and green. So we have to choose any one between the red or green. Okay, if I am choosing the Rajasthan as a red color, so see here, Rajasthan containing the red color. So neighboring nodes are what here? Gujarat and UP. So we cannot select the Gujarat as a red color and UP as a red color because Rajasthan neighbor nodes are UP and Gujarat. So for the Gujarat and UP, we have another color like green color. Okay. So for गुजरात जो सिटी है उसके लिए हम ब्लू भी असाइन नहीं कर सकते, रेड भी असाइन नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज गुजरात इज़ अ नेबरिंग नोड ऑफ राजस्थान ऑल्सो एंड MP ऑल्सो. So this is Gujarat and UP is also the neighboring node of Rajasthan and MP. We have to choose another color for UP's green. Okay, but Gujarat and UP के अंदर neighboring nodes नहीं है, so हम इसको same color choose कर सकते हैं. Remaining nodes are Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. Okay, so Maharashtra, so for Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, for the Maharashtra we can choose the color is red also. Okay, only red, sorry, because green color choose नहीं कर सकते because this is a neighboring node, and blue color choose नहीं कर सकते because this is also the neighboring node. So for the Maharashtra we can only select the red color, but RJ and MH is not a neighboring nodes. Okay? We can choose the red color for the Maharashtra state, and the remaining thing is the Chhattisgarh. So which color is suitable for Chhattisgarh? So we cannot select the Chhattisgarh as a blue because this is the neighboring node of MP, and we cannot also select the Chhattisgarh as a red color because this is the neighboring node of the Maharashtra. So only one color is remaining for Chhattisgarh, that is the green color. Okay, so this is a map coloring problem. So there are many other possible solutions because यहाँ पे मैंने स्टार्ट किया है ब्लू कलर से, यहाँ पे मैं रेड अगर चूज़ करती या फिर ग्रीन कलर चूज़ करती तो उसका अकॉर्डिंगली रिमेनिंग स्टेट को कलर चेंज हो जाता. ओके, सो देयर आर मेनी पॉसिबल सॉल्यूशंस फॉर दिस मैप कलरिंग प्रॉब्लम. ओके, so see here there is another example. We have a original map and we have to color this map. Okay, so first we have to convert this map into the constraint graph like this. Okay, so Western Australia WA, Northern Territory NT, South Australia SA, Queensland Q, New South Wales NSW, Victoria V, and Tasmania is the T. Okay, so we have to use this constraint graph for this particular map, and then we have to use the color here. So in this example, the variables are WA, NT, Q, NSW, V, SA and T. Domains are here red, green, blue also, and constraint is what? Adjacent region must have the different color. Okay, that means WA is not equal to NT, NT is not equal to SA, NT is not equal to Q, SA is not equal to Q, QA is not equal to N, SA is not equal to NSW, and Victoria also. Okay, see here. So how to represent this? Okay, so constraint graph, nodes are variables. जो जितने भी हमारे nodes है वो क्या होंगे? हमारे variables. Arcs are the constraint. Arcs are the constraint. That means WA is not equal to NT, W is not equal to SA, NT is not equal to SA, NT is not equal to Q, NT is not equal to SA. Then again SA is not equal to Q, Q is not equal to NSW, SA is not equal to NSW, SA is not equal to V, and NSW is not equal to V. Okay, so these are the dependent variable, and there is one independent variable that is called as a Tasmania, that is T. So T के लिए हम कोई भी कलर चूज कर सकते हैं, रेड भी चूज कर सकते हैं, ग्रीन भी कलर चूज कर सकते हैं, ब्लू भी कलर चूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट अ dependent variable. Okay, so this is called as an independent variable. So the each constraint graph contains the nodes and the arcs. Nodes are called as the variables and arcs are called as the constraint. Standard representation patterns, variables with the values. Constraint graph simplifies search, that means Tasmania is an independent subproblem, and this problem is called as a binary CSP because each constraint related to the two variables. Okay, so in previous video we already discussed about the types of CSP constraint. Okay, that means unary constraint, binary constraint, global constraint, linear constraint, and a non-linear constraint. So in this example we have the binary constraint because each constraint related to the two variables. WA is a variable and NT is another variable. Okay, so this is a binary constraint problem. So how to color this type of map? So see here, solution is this. Okay, so if I am considering the red, we have a three domains. Okay, red, green and blue. Okay, so if I am choosing the WA as a red color, so WA as a red color, so NT के लिए हम रेड चूज़ नहीं कर सकते, ऐसे के लिए भी हम रेड कलर चूज़ नहीं कर सकते. सो इफ़ आई एम कंसिडरिंग द रे NT as a green color, NT as a green color, सेम ऐसे के लिए हम रेड कलर भी चूज़ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ नेबरिंग नोड ऑफ WA, एंड NT के लिए ऐसे के लिए हम ग्रीन कलर भी चूज़ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज SA is a neighboring node of the NT. Okay, so we can choose another color for SA. So if we are talking about the Q node, so which color is suitable for Q? So see here, NT is not equal to Q, means Q के लिए हम green color choose नहीं कर सकते. AC is also not equal to Q, so Q के लिए हम blue color भी choose नहीं कर सकते. But we can choose the red color because WA is not equal to Q, so this is not a constraint. Okay, WA का neighboring node Q नहीं है, so we can choose the red color here. Then next thing is the NSW. So which color is suitable for the NSW? So Q is not equal to NSW because the Q is a neighboring node of NSW. रेड कलर चूज़ नहीं कर सकते एंड ब्लू कलर भी हम चूज़ नहीं कर सकते, बट हम ग्रीन कलर उसको चूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज NT एंड NSW नेबरिंग नोड्स नहीं है. The next thing is V. So which color is suitable for V? NSW ग्रीन कलर चूज़ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज नेबरिंग नोड है, एंड ब्लू कलर भी हम चूज़ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज नेबरिंग नोड है. सो रिमेनिंग कलर इज व्हाट हियर? रेड. Okay, and for the last node we can choose any color for the, because this is not a dependent variable, this is a independent variable. So for the T we can choose red also, green also, and blue color also. So we can choose any color, red also, blue color भी हम इसको choose कर सकते हैं. For T we can choose red, blue, और तीनों में से हम कोई भी कलर को चूज कर सकते हैं, और ग्रीन कलर. Okay, so this is a solution. So for WA we are choosing the red color, so this is a map. Then for NT we choose green color, so this is a map for NT. For SA we choose blue color, so see here, this is a blue color. Q we can choose the red color. For NSW we choose the green color. For Victory V we choose the red color, and here for the Tasmania we choose the green color. Okay, so this is a map coloring problem. So this is the solutions are complete and consistent assignment. WA is equal to red, NT is equal to green, Q is equal to red, NSW is equal to green, V is equal to red, SA is equal to blue, and T is equal to green. So this is a map coloring problem by using the constraint satisfaction. Thank you.